Hello team, today's challenge is array chunks, which is a very traditional challenge where we're given an array of items and we need to break it down into smaller arrays, with the chunks being how many things are in those final arrays. With this, we can get it done pretty quick. We're gonna set up in some sort of a capture group, right? So we go const output or result, whatever you're gonna call that, setting it to an empty array, okay? Because we are going to fill that array right here. So for let I equal 0 and I is less than the array dot length and what? Well, for this, we want to go I plus equals size, right? So what we're doing is we're setting I back to I plus size. And that's what that's doing there, which means that we are incrementing by whatever the size is. It saves us all those intermediate loops that don't mean anything, okay? So down in here, we go output dot push, and what are we pushing on there? Well, it's going to be the array dot slice, and we're slicing from I to I plus size, right? And then the final step is, of course, to return output just like this, and it works. It works great. Pretty standard stuff, right? Not a lot of magic to it. We are just iterating through, and it's a matter of how we're iterating through. One thing that I like to do is I like to take this and create a generator, right? So right here, I might go function, adding the asterisk to tell the system that it is a generator. And then I might call that chunk, just like this, okay? It's still gonna take the array, it's still gonna take the size. You might even add a default size, right? If you find that you're always defaulting to 3, just set it to a default. Easy enough, right? And then we take the loop, right? So we're gonna bring that up just like this. And instead of output.push, we are going to yield. So right here, it is typing it right, yield, excellent. Okay, getting rid of the extra bit, which means that now we can clean a lot of this up. So right here, instead of all of that capture stuff, right, we go chunk, right? Chunk, and we pass in the array and the size just like this. That's going to return an iterator, right? So if we wanted to loop over that and do more work, we absolutely could. In this case, we are just going to create an array from it, right? At which point it still works. Is it faster? Absolutely not, right? It is quite a bit slower than this loop. But if we were doing this for large arrays, for almost infinite sized arrays, then this might be faster. So it's worth knowing, right? It's worth knowing and playing around. For today, the standard loop is going to get it done because the arrays are quite small, right? But some interesting stuff. So again, not every solution, just hopefully 2 good solutions, right? And what we did was we set up some sort of a capture. The capture is actually the array with the spreading, right? And then we looped over it in both cases and sent it out the door, right? We either pushed onto our capture group or just returned that output, which is captured in the main function. So again, couple good options. Which one did you like? Which one did you hate? Did you go a different way? Did you find an interesting way that you want to share? Let me know all that stuff in the comments. Otherwise, for today, this has been Array Chunks, and I will see you tomorrow.